Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. All right, so before we proceed to the, this one, how to download and install, blah, blah, blah. Let's go back from week one again. So does anyone has a question or clarification from week one to week 6? Anything? Since, this is the main purpose of our meetings. It's a concentration every meeting. So just in case that you guys have a question or clarification regarding with something about authority quizzes, okay, or the module itself. So this is now your chance to ask a question. No question at all. Okay, so once again, if you guys don't have a question, can you guys give me a quick thumbs up just to let me know that you're good with everything. It's great. Okay then. So if you guys don't have a question, then I guess we can now proceed to the this one, how to download and install Visual Studio. It could be 2015 or it could be 2019 or 2022. So just take note that you guys don't need to download, everything and then install everything. Just pick one, okay? So how do you pick one? So if your let's see desktop or computer is quite a low end, say quite old, very let's say 3 years old, 4 years old laptop or a desktop, then you might want to go to 2015. Okay. Okay. Well, that's up to you. If you have a powerful PC, if you still want to download 2015, then no problem. Okay. So all of them are the same. So it might have a little bit of difference when it comes to interface and then some updates, fix bugs probably. But all in all, 2015 is still a perfect application for you to be able to finish your laboratories or projects. Okay. So if you have an average desktop or laptop, then you can download probably 2019. And if you have, say, a powerful desktop or laptop, then you can download the latest one, which is a 2022. Okay. So all of them will work perfectly with our week 7 build. So of course, in downloading them, okay, let's read this one first. So in here, during the workload installation, so this is the one that that you guys need to take note. Install only the .NET desktop development. So you guys don't need to install the others, the Python, C++, or C Sharp. So you guys won't be needing those workloads. So you only need one workload, which is the .NET desktop development. Okay. So we have here the the video for the 2015, the video for the 2019, and then the video for the 2022. So just follow them. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about a while ago when it comes to workloads. Okay, so just go to workload and then just choose the .NET desktop development. Okay, so do not choose or do not check the others anymore. Okay, so let's see if it will show here on 2015. So I think in 2015 it's already automatic, so you guys don't need to choose a workload. Yeah, so it's automatically a Visual Studio only. Okay, it's already installed the workload for the 2019 here. Okay, since I'm also using 2019 version, so where is that one? At here. So just check the .NET desktop development only. So you guys don't need to download or install the others anymore. You guys won't be needing them. Okay, so this is already a 4.7 gigabyte upon installing this one. So installing the others might take you a longer time to install the Visual Studio. So just choose this one because this is the only one that you guys will be needing. .NET Desktop Development. Okay. So are we clear so far in installing Visual Studio? Okay. So just choose one, 2015 or 2019 or 2022. Okay. So I haven't tried the 2022 yet, but I think this is already working perfectly. I think the bugs were already solved. Okay, because that is most uh, the most problems when it comes to new versions of applications or latest applications. So in most cases, they still have a lot of bugs. But I think this one is now working perfectly. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for the on how to install the Visual Studio 2015 or 2019 or 2022. Okay, and then after your exam, well, actually during your exam, okay, so this will be unlocked already June 16 at 7:30 a.m. So don't you guys worry, you guys don't need to take a look on this one yet. Well, it's up to you since it's already published. That's actually the idea on why it's being published on June 16. So you can have an advanced reading for our week 7 and 8. Okay, so there's nothing we're going to do anymore. It's just that we're going to wait for this upcoming June 8th or June 15th, maybe just June 15th. Okay, so we will be having another meeting on Wednesday, next week Wednesday, and then just be prepared that on this coming June 15th we'll be having a limited face-to-face class. So what are we going to do on that limited face-to-face class? So we're going to, or I will be collecting your laboratory. So basically, you're going to compile your laboratory 1 after laboratory 6. Yeah, laboratory 6 from lab 1 to lab 6. So you can bring your own laptop or you can just simply save that one to a flash drive. Okay, and then I'll be checking your work on that day. So for the groupings, so it was divided into two, I guess. So again, group one will be attending class from 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. And then group two will be attending the class from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Okay, so I hope I'll very clear with this one. Again, that would be on June 15th, okay, before your final exam on June 16th. All right, so all in all, those are just the things that I would like to uh, mention or say for today. For next meeting, I'm not really sure if we're going to meet. That depends. If you guys have, if most of you has a question or clarification, then maybe we will meet. But if none, then maybe we can just have that day as your time to finish all the activities. Okay. Just in case that you have a question, then you can just simply message me. Okay. So does anyone has a question or clarification so far before we end our meeting? Yes, your exam is online. So it's the pure application only. Not application now. Actually, it's combination. It's mix. Okay. Concepts, multiple choice, fill in the blanks. Okay. So just those two only. Multiple choice and then fill in the blanks for your midterm exam. Okay. All right, so any other concerns? Okay, so I guess none anymore. So if you guys don't have a question anymore, so thank you for coming. We really appreciate it. And sorry again for being late. Yeah, that's all for now. Goodbye and a blessed day to all of
Goodbye, sir.
you. Goodbye. Thank you too and goodbye.